You've all been through this scenario. You're going to get an LS engine, all right? Some sort of engine swap, but you're left with a wiring harness that's just a massive mess. How do you get your car to fire up? Well, you got to call our friends at HotwireAuto. I'm telling you, these guys are amazing what they do. Kind of walk us through it.
Well, you think you got an engine harness, you're all set. Well,
right.
One connector, there's 3 main connectors. There's a lot more that you need than just this.
Right.
Now you're talking about engine bay harness. You got fuses, you got relays, you got wires and connectors that need to be over here. So they take all of this mess,
right,
and somehow magically and with a lot of skill and knowledge, turn it into one simple harness with everything, fuse block,
right,
relays, all your connectors, everything you need to connect up the engine.
And, right, they reprogram your ECM, which is great, right? Anything you don't need, they just get rid of it. And where can you mount this?
Under the dash.
Yes.
Not in the engine compartment where it's hot and dirty and messy. Under the dash, so it's connect up, put your hot wire, your ground, you're ready to fire this thing up.
Amazing.
All right, let's get this all connected up.
Let's do it.
Man, I love these guys at Hotwire. I got a salvage yard harness, made it really easy, really cost effective, sent it to them. They modified everything, got it back to us. This thing looks awesome. I love the way it fits. All right, just getting the wire routing kind of figured out where everything wants to lay, getting things connected up. We can find a good spot to drill our hole for our grommet, to fish our harness through for our ECU, get that mounted up. So we got a lot on our hands right now we're gonna have some fun with. We'll see you guys back right after the break.